Hey everyone, Morgan from Mirror Edge Networks. I'm here today in Hout Bay, just outside Cape Town, and this is a precursor to a little cinema media room type solution that we're putting together for a client of ours. This is a description of what we're going to be doing, where we're going to be locating speakers, how we're going to be installing the actual surround sound processor, and the background to the design process that we've taken to get a result for this project. So I hope you enjoy. The very simple backstory to this installation is that our client that we've worked with on two other different projects this year was at a holiday resort internationally, and the solution in their holiday villa was a motorized drop-down projection screen in front of some glass sliding doors, just as are seen here. The client sent me a photograph of what they had in this villa and asked if it's something that I would be able to do for them. Of course, anything is possible. So I accepted the challenge and I said, of course. From that, basically, I got in contact with Shane and the team from Field Joiners here in Cape Town and discussed the cabinetry that I need them to make. And we just had a meeting with him now so that I could run him through the entire process, and we've come up with a solution. The solution, very simply, is that what we're going to do is put up a projection screen onto this concrete lintel that's above this door frame, and we're going to have a box which covers the projection screen and has the speakers included into the box that will hang onto this lintel. By doing that, we're going to be able to hide the projection screen, but also have an angled enclosure for the speakers that we're going to install here, which will be M&K speakers, and they're going to play down to the couch that's on my right hand side. This is where the client sits and watches their content currently, which is on the TV that's behind me, but they're going to do away with the TV completely. So the simple overview is that there'll be a projection screen up on the wall, motorized drop down with a box that's installed over it to hide the actual mechanism, and inside that box is going to be 3 speakers as the left, center, right, which are in angled enclosures to play the sound down to the couch. The solution that we've come up with to house the equipment is to have a floating shelf at the back of the room. This will be where we'll place an Anthem MRX 740 surround sound AVR and an Apple TV for video streaming. Beneath that, we're going to be placing an M&K V10 Plus subwoofer, which will provide the bass for this room. And at the top over here, where this existing plug point is, we'll have another shelf with the projector mounted onto it. To route our cabling to all the different locations within this room, we're going to core drill through the back of this wall, bring up a conduit on the outside of the building and core drill back into where the projector is going to be, and then we're going to route our speaker cabling externally around the outside of the house through to where the projection screen is going to be, and that'll provide us with the speaker cable for left, center, right, the trigger cable for the projection screen, and we're also going to pull through the power for the projection screen. At the back of the room, we do have 2 speaker locations that we've determined will be quite effective as surround locations, where we'll be also installing M&K speakers for our surrounds. I hope that you've enjoyed this introductory video of what we're going to do to achieve an exciting result for our client. Hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with our YouTube channel, and keep an eye out for the video which will detail the actual installation process, a little bit of the behind the scenes, as well as the completed result in a few weeks' time.